Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to give a reply to a specific message on the Snapchat. So before that this feature was available on the Messenger or on the Instagram, but now in Snapchat also give this feature. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. So first of all you have to open your Play Store. Once you will open your Play Store, you have to search for the Snapchat here. Once you will search for the Snapchat here, you have to click on this update button to update your Snapchat mobile application. So once you will update this Snapchat, now go back and open your Snapchat again. Once you will open it, open the chat of any friend. Let's suppose I want to reply this message that I have sent recently. So tap on it and swipe to the right like this. As you will see, I swipe to the right and write a reply here, hi, and then send it from here. Once you will send for it this message with a specific reply to this message. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.